Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to our research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, the main aim is to learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering: truth, honesty, and justice. Therefore, to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Irfan offers the course. The title of the course is Plan, Design and Create High Quality Videos for Online Advertisement and Marketing using OBS Studio. It is the introductory lecture of the course. I'm your instructor, Zainab Shokar. Here it is a brief introduction about myself. I hold bachelor's degree in computer science from Lahore College for Women University, Lahore, Pakistan with distinction of gold medal. Currently, I am doing Masters in Computer Science from Coherent University, Islamabad, Lahore campus, Pakistan, under the supervision of Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Nawab. Also, I am member of Natural Language Processing Research Group at Coherent University, Islamabad, Lahore campus, Pakistan. Let's have a look at lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, I will first present course aims, course learning outcomes, and course contents. After that, I will present course development and teaching methodology. Let's move to course aims, course learning outcomes, and course content. A very fundamental question is, why should we plan, design, and create high quality videos? The answer is, planning, designing, and creating high quality videos enables us to: number one, have easy and quick access to global data and information. Number two, reach international market with low cost, time, and effort to sell products or services. Number three, quickly and easily share our ideas and knowledge with global community. And number four, teach and learn any concept around the globe with great ease and comfort. Course focus. The main focus of this course is enjoy all the benefits of using videos. For example, online education, marketing, sharing content, etc. By learning to plan, design, and create high quality videos using OBS Studio. Course aims. The main aims of this course are as follows. The first aim is introduce how to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering to become a balanced and characterful person. The second aim is introduce how to tell an interesting, connected, and coherent story in a course. The third aim is introduce how to plan, design, and create high quality videos using OBS Studio. Course learning outcomes. By the end of this course, a participant should be able to: number one, live and enjoy the blessings of balanced and characterful life by putting efforts on daily basis to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering. Number two, plan, design, and create high quality videos using a template based approach. Number three, to understand how following approaches can be used to efficiently solve both real world problems and video creation problems, including systematic thinking approach, identifying most suitable solution approach, completeness and correctness approach, divide and conquer approach, half-cooked approach, template-based approach, and finally, 100% effort with sincerity approach. Important note: to successfully achieve all the course aims and course training outcomes, please do all the to-do and your-turn tasks on time with truth, honesty, and justice. Course contents, lecture by lecture. This course is fundamentally divided in three parts. The first part is introduction. In introduction part, I will present three lectures. Lecture 1, Introduction to Course. Lecture 2, Basics of Video. Lecture 3, Video Recording. The second part is OBS Studio. In this part, I will present 5 lectures. Lecture 4, Basics of OBS Studio. Lecture 5, Download OBS Studio for Windows. Lecture 6, Install OBS Studio on Windows. Lecture 7, Video Recording without camera using OBS Studio. Lecture 8, Video Recording with camera using OBS Studio. And finally, the third part is conclusion. In this part, I will present only one lecture. Lecture 9, Main Findings, Conclusion and Future Work. Target Audience. The targeted audience for this course are all interested male or female candidates from any field of life. After discussing course aims, course learning outcomes, and course contents, let's move to the second part of this lecture, course development and teaching methodology. Course development methodology aims to tell a connected and coherent story using a simple to complex step-by-step approach. Course development methodology is based upon three-step process. Step 1 is lecture. The instructor will deliver a lecture. In lecture, all the concepts will be explained with examples. Therefore, 100% work is done by teacher. In step 2, the to-do task will be introduced by teacher. It is important to note here that these to-do tasks will be similar to the examples that were solved in the lecture. So, 50% work is done by teacher and 50% work is done by student. After step 2, the course will move to your-turn task. In your-turn task, student will find out the task similar to the to-do task and also find out the solution of these tasks. So to conclude, 100% work will be done by students. As we move from step 1 to step 3, it is a simple to complex step-by-step approach. An important thing to note here is that these to-do and your-turn tasks will serve as assignment for the students. Course teaching methodology. This course will be taught using half-cooked approach. That is, 50% work will be done by teacher and 50% work will be done by student. So, both teacher and students are putting efforts to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering. Course fee. This course is free. Irfan Institute has a humble request. At least reach one person after taking this course and request him or her to do the same. After discussing course development and teaching methodology, let's move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented a brief introduction of instructor of the course contents, course aims, and learning outcomes, course development and teaching methodology. In next lecture, inshallah, in next lecture, I will present lecture 1, Introduction to Course. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen.